Yo, today we want to design another church flyer. So we're on the church flyer series right now. So looking at this church flyer, can you see how beautiful it's looking? Can you see it's very simple? Just the text in place and then a good alignment, and your design is done. So please, if you want to do something like this, please stay tuned, and then we'll show you a lot of some tricks. So right now, let's not waste your time. Let's come here, select the background, and then this is our image. This is our ministry pastors. Then we'll come and paste, and then we'll start something. So next, these are their images. Okay, let's move this away. It's behind it. Let's delete this and go. Select your rectangle here without no waste of time, and then we'll power click this background inside by moving the object in place like this. Enter. Double click like this and make adjustment. Hold shift so that you cannot drag. You see, if you are holding shift and dragging, can you see what is happening? You will move in order like this. You adjust, you go in, you adjust, go in. Just try to do this, play with it like this, and then release, finish. The same thing for these images. We'll make the adjustment. This and this will make the adjustment like this. Can you see? Oh, these are good ministers. So we'll select all of them and then right click. There are two ways to doing this. You select this and this. Right click and hold, please. Right click and hold. You right click, bring it in. The moment you reach that rectangle, it gives you a circular cross. If it doesn't give you circular cross, it means that there's something wrong somewhere. Then release your hand from your right click, and then it will tell you to power click. The moment you click this, it will power click in straight up. Please, if you don't know like that, you can use the normal power click way. So double click in like this, select this, and then adjust in. So you can see this adjustment like this. These are ministering pastors. We'll adjust. Let's adjust so that, yeah, I'm comfortable with this at this point like this. So right now we want to blend them inside. We want to blend them so that they can fit in. So we'll select this. Come to your transparency tool here. Drag it down. Drag it down like this. You'll come here. We'll select this as well. We'll drag it down from here. This is it. We'll drag it down, and then we'll press yes. We'll press enter. So from here, you can now discover and see that we have done something. We have put in so much effort to see that it will work. So right now, without no waste of time, we'll dive into our theme. This is one, two. Our theme is unlimited experience. Select here, then we'll write unlimited. Press enter. Experience. It's on black, that is why you're not seeing it very well. So let's readjust it. Unlimited experience. Change the font. To change this font right now, I have one sweet bold font here, Helvetica. When it comes to boldness, this Helvetica is not must. Some people are asking this, please, can I get your font? Can I do? You can download. I have a video on how to download font. How you can download font. Select it like this. Press Ctrl K to break it. Somebody say, this boy look like you're a thief boy. And so I think your tune is showing tip. There's nothing. Then adjust this. Adjust this like this. You can see if this is not bold enough for you, you can now select this one here. Let's change it to Bebas. But you can see unlimited experience. Please select this like this and then press shift and hold and select the rectangle. So that you want to be sure that you have the right alignment. in your design. So next, this is episode 1, so we'll just write here 2.0. So this, we are changing this to orange. Let's adjust this a bit. Let's adjust it smaller, and then we'll drag in like this. Then ours is 2.0. 2.0. Give it, let it be on the same line here. Make it bold a bit. 2.0. The next thing is we'll be working with the time, date, and venue. The time for this event is August. So with that, we are going to make a demarcation here like this. We'll use that demarcation. We're using this pen tool. We want to change the color of this pen, the color of this pen tool. Right click here, change it to white. We are not using it like this. I want us to use dash dash. It will be dash format wall. So select more. So we'll find the make adjustment. We'll make it longer. Add to let's find the one that, yes, exactly. Look at it here. Click here so that you can see that it's a bit longer and stretched. Then we can now write August from the 2nd of August to 2nd to 3rd of August. It's a 3-day program they are working on. And then to August. Then we're also changing this to white. Bebas is a go. Please, using 2 or 3 fonts in the design is very, very important. It makes it simpler. And then our alignment, I remember I'm telling you this, our alignment. You adjust. How can you set your alignment? I've done that tutorial, but I'll still do that. Without measurement, you can draw this like this. Simple. Just for example, place it here at the end of this. Let it align here. Make sure that as you are bringing your ruler, this is it. Look at your ruler here. As you are bringing it, look at how it's red now, selected. You can now select this one and say, that's my alignment. The next one is come here. You can take it to the other side like this. Let me change it to white. Still align it here. Bring your ruler and then place it here like this. Bam. You can now see you have now 2 alignment. Nothing should be more than that. You understand what I'm trying to say? So if you have a write-up and you have a design that you don't want it to be more than that, we can also work with it. So Control K, break this. Let's adjust this to, this is August, 23rd of August. And then what's the venue? The venue is capital city hall, capital city hall, Maraba. Capital City Hall, Maraba, and then that's the date. Time is 10 a.m. prompt. And it's 10 a.m. 10 a.m. prompt. So this 10 a.m. we want to adjust this thing so that it will be in order. Control K, adjust Maraba, Abuja. Let me just add this so that we can make it adjust. So right now, Control K, break this one as well so that you can adjust it to be in one scenario. Look at it. Let's adjust this thing so that they should not be too far from each other. So select it. Yes. Adjust this one to meet up with this, and then you can see the power of simplicity design. So right now you select the two of them, group them, and then centralize so that you can see where everything falls. Like this is very simple. So the next agenda is we are not putting there's no much detail. Um at the right hand, at the left side, we have a write up, come and experience the presence of God. So that's just the but then I spoke to them so we can push that under here. So we can select this, duplicate. Let's ungroup it. Select this one, come here, and then come and experience. No, sorry, come and weakness. God. So this we can make it stylish. We can make this stylish in a bit, even though we can make this calm and weakness God. Mhm. So at this point, this is a very simple way to make a design. So we want to make this thing pop, even as it's very simple like this. Let it pop out a bit. I don't want my tutorials to be very long. Select here, and then we'll select a color here. You can't see it because it's behind it. So this, you select that particular this right up, and then you press shift page up so that it will come up. Can now drag it like this, and then press make it bolder. So this is a very simple way to make your arrangement, as you can see. So now space is very important in design. Once you allow your design to breathe, allow your design to breathe. Look at this space, this demarcation we have here can have a lot of explanations. Anybody's eye coming down here is trying to tell the person that there's something here you take note of. We can now duplicate this downwards like this. So anybody's eye coming down here is trying to explain to you that there is something here you need to look at. There's something here you need to look at. So let's separate. You see this space is in between like this. It's not for fancy. Let's change it to white by drawing that. So we demarcate this. And then you see how everything is now aligned. So you can now decide to use icons, but this is the main arrangement. So select this and then remove the outline. So please, you now have a flyer to go. The last thing that is remaining is the names of our ministry guests and prophets, which we can just write here, which will not take most of our time. This is for educational purpose. Pastor, this is Pastor Joshua, PST, Pastor Joshua. Okpaka, Okpaka. Then we'll select or we'll change it to, I like using bebas, and this, can select this. So we can now minimize our. So let's give it a white color and then press Ctrl K. Then this one we can change the font of this particular one. So I'm using futuristic signature. You can press Shift page up and then can make it title. Click on OK. Adjust it like this. But if you see that the way it's written is quite confusing, not that simple, I'll just change it to Montserrat here. I'll just give it like this. Without no waste of time, I'll also go here. Here, I will change it to black so that it will show very well. So this is Pastor Samuel. This is Pastor Samuel Oloa. Oloa. So you can now adjust this like this. So please, this is how you can make a very simple flyer like this without no waste of time. So thank you, and I hope to see you in our next tutorial. And if you love anything about our tutorial, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and support us. The aspect will be in the description of this video so that you can follow us along. Thank you, and I hope to see you at the top.